Hello there everyone, my name is Pritam Negi and I welcome you all to my channel. Now in this video, I'm going to talk you about the advanced selection features. Now you guys might thinking why I am making this model dance because I love to play with my models and here I am doing the same. Now let's stop it and do some work. Okay, so now in this video, as I explained you, we're gonna be talking about how to select a particular type of entity. This is second video of advanced selection tool, and in this video we're gonna be talking about how we can select a particular type of entity. Now, for example, I want to select a vertex here, this one, but here I'm not able to select the vertex, and it is offering me to select edge instead of vertex. Here also edge. Now, what if I only want to select the vertex? Now for that, we have here the advanced filter. Just click here and select the vertex. That's all. Now we will go here. The software will only allow us to select vertex only, and we can make an appropriate selection. Let's say, for example, now I want to select a curve. But here I'm in doubt, is there any curve actually exist in this model? So there is no curve exist in this model. Let's try to do box selection. And here we go. Here is a spring, which according to our software is a curve, and she couldn't find any other curve. So here the point is you can select anything, whatever you want, with the help of these selection filters. So in this way we can use this advanced selection tool. Now this particular tool is available whether you are working in sketcher mode, whether you are working in part mode, or you are in assembly. For example, here in this case, this is assembly mode, and this feature is available in all mode. Yes, maybe you may find different option available in case of sketcher and part. So there might be slight variation. So that's all guys in this video from my side. I hope guys I may able to explain you how this advanced selection filter works, and if yes, then do like and subscribe to our channel to see these kind of videos, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.